I'm trying to eat the rest of my food. It's a burrito. I think I got too much going on here. Hopefully my stomach don't hurt. But how many of y'all got your Christmas shopping done? What you buy? Who you buy for? You got kids? Our kids, we just give them money now. Last year was our first year doing that because all of our kids are big kids now. My youngest is 13, and they got everything in the world. I'm talking video games, all these different systems, handheld, hooked up to the TV. My youngest son, he has two Wii's, two regular Wii's. So he keeps one upstairs and one downstairs. He has a Wii U in his room. And then he has the Nintendo Switch. He also had it broke though, a Nintendo 3G, whatever, the little handheld games. He had that too, and it broke. It wouldn't charge anymore. So, and then all kinds of games. And then my sons, they play that PlayStation. They got everything. So we was just like, give them money. They could go buy what they want to buy. They don't have to be turning their nose up. Talking about, I ain't want that. Because I'll take it back. Give them some money. We get one shopping day. Let's go to the mall. And that's it. I don't do no more Christmas shopping. No Christmas shopping. Because I only buy for my kids. Shoot, I got 4 kids. And me. My husband got to buy the queen bee something. What she want first. And then we take care of them kids. Shoot, my daughter's birthday is October 4th. So she and she 24. Then my oldest son, he just turned 22 on the 12th of December. And so and then Christmas come and they all shoot. I said, at what age do you stop giving your kids Christmas gifts? I know my grandmother, her rule was once you start having kids, you no longer got no Christmas gift. It went to the kid. And she would do bonds, like those money bonds. That's what she would do for the grandkids because they were cheap. You only pay half of what it's worth up front. So if you get a $20 bond, it's only going to be $10 or something like that. So if you got a $50 bond, it's gonna cost you $25. So that's what she would do for all the kids for the Christmas, their birthdays, or whatever. She passed away though a few years back, but yeah, we at the point where we especially them 2 oldest ones, you get whatever I give you. Don't be having no expectations. Our kids are so spoiled. My daughter, she graduated from ASU in a dual degree, special education. She's a special needs teacher. She graduated summa cum laude, with a dual degree. And so I told y'all her birthday was in October. She had a handout. Then she graduated. She had a handout. And then Christmas came and she had a handout. So my husband was like, Mm-mm. We gave her a dinner party at what's the name of that place we gave her a dinner party at? We gave her a dinner party at it's on the tip of my tongue. Papa Do's, because we have one here. So she had a dinner party at Papa Do's. So for Christmas, my husband gave all of them, except for the little one, $500. He gave my youngest one $250, which I don't think that was fair. He should have gave him 500 too. At the time, he was only 12 though. But anyway, so the rest of them, they all got $500 except for my youngest one. And so she had the nerve to complain, talk about some. Why do she was saying, why do Reagan get $500 for what? Because her and my oldest son got $500. She graduated and it was Christmas. It was his birthday and it was Christmas. So she felt like they should have got a double or something. I don't know. But she felt like he got, Reagan, my 17-year-old, he got money. He got all of this money for nothing. And my husband said, I gave it to him because I wanted to. Be grateful for what you got. Like, who's sitting up there arguing when your parents give you $500 as an adult for Christmas? As an adult, she was 23, and you sitting up here talking about why he getting more. You should be getting like $50 or a pair of pajamas and getting on. Shit. I know when I was your age, my mother nor my father was giving me no $500 for Christmas. That's for sure. She had the nerve to have an attitude about it. I said, I tell you, these kids, they spoil you. So my husband, he on that new kick with him. He said, I give you what I want to give you. So for her birthday, she was like, he said, $100. I ain't mad at him. He said $100. So she got her some little boots. She had liked. Cause shoot, you gotta start pushing these kids away. Be like, you ain't no kid no more. You an adult. You get what I give you. Give you $100 and some stocking stuffers. And you go sit down somewhere. So, so yeah, I ain't done no Christmas shopping. Christmas shopping I done. My own Christmas shopping. I did. He did his Christmas shopping for me. I got to have my stuff before Christmas, child. And I like to get my deals too. See, my husband, he be like, no, let's just wait. Like, he told me to wait for my gift. It's actually coming tomorrow. So he was like, just wait. So I missed all the Black Friday sales, the 30% off. The place where I wanted to get it from, they was doing a 30% off. He was like, oh, it'll come back around. I said, fool, it's Christmas time. It ain't coming back around. Ain't nobody doing no sales like that. They don't even do sales like that on Valentine's Day. I said, Black Friday, Cyber Monday are those companies' biggest sale days. And then after that, you lucky if you get 10 or 15% off. And so sure enough, I went back and I asked the girl, would she do that honor the 30%? And she was like, no, I can't. I wasn't mad at her. Shit, but at least all I could do was ask. She was like, no, the 30% is not available, but she said this code always works. And it's basically, I guess, a welcome 15% off code. So I'll save it for later and see if I can get him on the back end. But I do have This lady is a jewelry piece. This lady's jewelry is very expensive, but it's really nice and looks well made. So I do want one of her pieces. Maybe that would be like a anniversary / Mother's Day gift for me, because I always combine those two since they're so close together. Um, I just have those two combined. So I'll be sitting up there trying to get him to get me one of her pieces when that time comes around. Y'all could tell my eyes are so sleepy. I've been up since 7 o'clock. I think that was it. That was all I wanted to really say, you know. Some of those jewelry pieces that I had, or the stores I was telling y'all about, like Catbird. I don't know, a lot of people didn't watch my Catbird video, but they are still doing holiday shipping as long as you order by the 21st, which is in a couple of days. I think, what's tomorrow? 19. Friday is 20. Saturday, I think. Yeah, up until Saturday. And you got to pick fast shipping. So a lot of these places up to the 21st will let you still order if there is anything to be ordered. But you got to pick the fastest shipping to get it to you. Because, you know, I don't know, on Christmas Eve, if the post offices are working, they may be, you know, just trying to get everything in. Then you never know. Some of them might get lazy. But, yep. So, yeah, I'm going to get off here. I'm going to get my butt to bed. And until next time, peace. Don't forget to watch my videos all the way through. Sometimes I'll be having some important information. Ain't that important? But some good conversation to go all the way through. And I'm trying to get these watch hours. So I need for y'all to watch all the minutes to add up into them watch hours, so I can get these 4,000 watch hours, because it seemed like this last 500 is creeping like a snail. Anyway, until next time, peace.